If you are looking for an awesome oil diffuser, you're absolutely going to love this. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. It's almost like fire comes out of here, which is absolutely awesome. You get all these essential oils here. This is your main list. This is awesome. So once the top is on, I'm going to turn the lights off. We're going to hit this mist button down here. And then you'll see it gets this orange, and it almost looks like fire is coming out of this thing. You could change the colors by hitting this. So you could do blue, you could do whatever color you want. There's a red right here. I kind of like that one. Then if you wanted more mist as well, you just hit this again and it's going to start to put more out. This thing is absolutely amazing. If you like these kind of things, definitely check this out. And a big thank you for the brand for sending me this so I could do this review. Device here, we get this nice bag. So if you want to gift it, this looks really high end. This is the actual packaging comes in. Then we get this Himalayan sea salt. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this out just like that. We're going to take this little tray out at the bottom. So we can just pop it out like that. Super easy. Then we're going to put the sea salt in there just like that. Get it all in there. Give it a nice little look just like that. Gotta spread it around a little bit. So now that we have that in just like that, we're going to slide this under and I'm going to go grab some water. All right, what we're going to do here, we're going to put the water in just like that. We don't want to pass the max fill line at all. I'm just going to do it to right there, so about there. And then we're going to put this top on, and this is the best part of